Have you ever needed to solve your optimization models using world-class solvers? Or maybe you want to test the performance of different solvers on your specific problem. In this video, I'll show you how to use the NEOS server, a free, powerful cloud-based service for solving optimization problems. It is hosted by the Wisconsin Institute for Discovery at the University of Wisconsin-Madison and provides access to a wide range of world-class solvers. If you're an AMPL user, you can interact with NEOS directly from your AMPL session. To get started, open your model in your preferred IDE or in a cloud platform like Google Colab. In the AMPL configuration section, set the modules to install gokestrel extension and run the cell. Paste your license UUID. Next, run the cells that contain the model and data. Then, I will delete part of the code from the current solver and solving options sections and replace it with an additional cell containing a new solver and solving options from NEOS AMPL page. Next, enter the name of any remote linear or nonlinear solver. If you're unsure which solver is available, you can leave the solver field empty. AMPL will display the full list of available solvers. Then, select the solver that best fits your problem. If needed, configure your solver options. Now, solve your problem with Remote Solver, and you'll get the results just as you would from a standard local solver. That's it. This feature is available to all our users, including those using pure AMPL, Python, or any other API. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials.